Save yourself some money and go and make this salad. It's 2024 and you have no excuse at all. You have no excuse to be spending so much money on making a salad. And seriously, you don't need a lot of ingredients to make your salad. All you need is just these 4 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need your red pear, you need your lettuce, and you need, some nice little coriander to give it, just to spice it up a bit. And then you need your cucumber. So I'm going to show you how to recreate the cheapest salad. And I'm going to show you how you're going to create more for less money. For less money, guys. It's 2024 and we're saving ourselves some money.
I have saved so much money from making my own salad, and I definitely think it tastes better. And as you can see in the supermarket, you get such a small quantity for what you pay. So I'm going to try and recreate this patty salad from Tesco. It's 400 grams and it's £3. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to buy to make my own. So I'm going to buy a head of lettuce for 89 pence. Then I'm also going to buy some tomatoes for £2, which is 40 pence per portion, or you can buy cheaper ones if you want. Then I'm also going to buy a cucumber for 89 pence. Then you're also going to need your red bell pepper, that's 59 pence. I'm just going to get one of them. And you're also going to need some coriander just to give it some extra seasoning, it's 52 pence. So in total, that's £2 and 89 pence. So now I'm just going to weigh out each ingredient just so we see how much we have. So the lettuce is 686 grams. And then the cucumber is going to come to be 350 grams. Then I'm also going to weigh out my coriander, and the coriander is already written there. It's going to be 30 grams. Then the red bell pepper is 147 grams. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying don't go and buy the pre-packaged salad. There's a time and place for buying pre-packaged salad. There's times when you're just lazy, sometimes when you just want that convenience. That's what you're paying for, really. And because we're all so busy nowadays, of course, if that's what's helping you to stay consistent with meeting your nutritional goal of eating the recommended amount of fruit and veg, why not? I say go for it. But at the same time, we also can't deny the fact that the cost of living is increasing day by day. And if there's a way that you can save costs whilst eating healthy, why not do it? So this salad weighs 1.2 kg. That's 3 times the amount of the Tesco salad. And it costs £2.89. Please follow my channel for more tips and tricks.